In this video, I will show you how to add video slider in Shopify. So a lot of time there are sites with some videos in them, and they actually look, you can see sliding this kind of videos. Doesn't really need to be user generated. You can add anything that you want. And how do you actually add this kind of videos is basically using this Spark UTC video carousel. So you can save this name or save this application for your Shopify store. Simply click on this install, and yeah, so basically you can also see a demo store that is going to be representing any kind of this video carousel. So this is the main idea behind adding the video slider. So I hope this is going to be helping. If you still have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.